I seem to have a lot of work to do. There's a tree down there. There's this tree here right on the waterfall, which I'm balanced on. And there's a tree up there. Yesterday I trimmed up all the branches from this tree. Didn't get wet once. I'm so lucky. Today I'm gonna cut it up into 16-inch rounds. I'm gonna tie each round to the tree so that when I cut through it, it doesn't float away. Trouble is, I'm wearing my husband's size 10 wellies, and it was just a matter of sheer luck that I didn't fall in. That's a lot of wood. And then I'm going to cart it up there, stick it in the back and drive up the top to the cottage. I surprised myself. It worked. It actually worked. Right. Only that lot more to go. Oh, what I'd give for a cup of tea. The worst part's over, and I haven't got wet yet.